What if I told you you could create a fully functioning trading bot right now? One that backtests itself, optimizes itself, and even lets other people copy your trades for profit. And you never have to write a single line of code? I know that sounds too good to be true, but that's literally what BingX's AI strategy lab lets you do. And today I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use, step by step. So in this video, we will be covering how to create your account, deposit your funds, and find the AI strategy lab. And from there, how to actually build, backtest, and deploy a strategy using nothing but plain English. And once it's built, I'll also show you how to publish it publicly so other traders can copy you and you start earning profit sharing directly from the trades. And before we even get into that, if you sign up using my link in the description, you can unlock bonuses of up to 10,800 USDT. So there's genuinely no reason not to follow along. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's get your account set up. First, click the link in the description. Using this link is crucial to unlock all the exclusive bonuses I just mentioned. You can sign up with your email or phone number or connect via Google or Apple for even faster registration. For this tutorial, I'll use Gmail to sign up. Once you enter your email, create a strong password, complete the verification, and you're in. You're now inside your BingX account and ready to start trading. Go to the top right corner and click on Deposit. Now, USDT is ideal for trading because it's stable and widely used, but Bitcoin or Ethereum works too. When selecting USDT, I recommend choosing the TRC20 network because it has very low fees and fast confirmation times. You'll see your personal deposit address right here. Copy it carefully. Make sure you copy the entire address. Then go to your current exchange or wallet, paste the address, select the same network, and send your crypto. It usually takes anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes to arrive. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, just to make sure everything worked correctly and that the network matches on both sides. Now, here's where the bonuses start to kick in. With my link, you get access to exclusive rewards. You can get up to 30 USDT just for signing up to 500 USDT for completing advanced identity verification, another 500 USDT as a deposit reward, and up to 500 USDT as a trading reward. And then there are the exclusive trading challenges. These are volume-based rewards where you can earn from 5 USDT for 5,000 USDT in trading volume all the way up to 6,000 USDT for 70 million USDT in futures trading volume. So the more you trade, the more bonuses you unlock. Some rewards may require identity verification, but the platform checks everything automatically. And if you qualify, the bonus will be credited to your account. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy it directly on BingX using your local currency. Go to the top menu and click on Buy Crypto and choose P2P Trading. And here you can see another tab with two more options for buying crypto. First is P2P Trading. This lets you buy USDT directly from other users. You select your currency, choose a seller, follow their payment instructions, and the USDT gets released to your spot wallet. Second option is Quick Buy. This is the fastest way. Select Buy then, you select your currency, choose USDT, and pay with a card, Wise, Zelle, or even MoonPay. Third option is buying via Fiat deposits. Select your currency, input the amount you want to deposit, and select a payment method. You can choose PIX or SEPA with this option. Fees are a bit higher when buying with Fiat, but it's the easiest way to get started if you're completely new to crypto. And when you use my link, you still get the same bonus structure on top of your deposit. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it quickly. First, transfer your funds from the funding account to the spot account. You can do this by going to Assets, then Transfer, and selecting the amount you want to move. Then go to Spot Trading by clicking Spot, then Spot. Search for your trading pair, for example, BTC/USDT. Select market order, choose sell, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert, and click Sell BTC. This instantly converts your Bitcoin to USDT, which then appears in your spot wallet. From there, you can transfer it to your futures account and start leverage trading. Now that your account's funded, let's get into the main reason you clicked on this video: building a trading strategy using nothing but plain English. On top of the menu page, go to Bots, then on the drop-down, click on AI Strategy Lab. That'll bring you straight into the interface. At the top, you'll see three tabs: My Strategies, Strategy Plaza, and My Copy Trading. My strategies is where all your bots live, both public and private. Right here, you've got two buttons to create a strategy, one in the upper right and one in the middle. Either one works. When you click either button, you'll get a chat window. Versions are on the left, templates are on the right, and the main chat is right in the middle. This is where you describe your trading idea in plain English, down in the lower right box. You can also click on any of the templates here to see what they generate. Once you've got your idea in, just hit enter or click the blue arrow. It'll start thinking and it gives you a full breakdown. Symbol, time frame, backtest period, entry logic, exit logic, initial cash required, that one's optional, and commissions. Right below that, you'll see a run backtest option. Click on that. Now it's writing and backtesting the strategy in real time. You'll see the total return, annual return, and Sharpe ratio, plus an interpretation section with the win rate, profit factor, and max drawdown. It'll even show you potential improvements right here. Click View Details and it'll take you to another window showing a detailed breakdown, live trading performance, backtest reference, and the fund curve. From here, you can also verify the strategy with real funds. Deployment starts at just 20 USDT. Scroll down further and you'll see applicable scenarios, risk notes, and what to avoid, along with the logic and parameters. There's even a Python strategy code you can copy and paste directly if you're running your own separate bot. On the upper right, you can modify the strategy, add more parameters or conditions just like before. On the side, you'll also see recommendations, each with a description, what it does to the strategy, and a confidence level. Click on any of them and a Generate Optimized Version button will appear. Click it and it creates a new version you'll see reflected on the upper left. By default, everything is published as private first. If you want to go public and let other traders copy you, click the button on the upper right that says Publish for Copy Trading. A window pops up showing your parameters and backtested results. Click Parameters Confirm once you're happy. If you haven't applied for copy trading yet, just click Next. It'll open once it passes review. On the next page, you'll set your creator profit share ratio. Keep in mind it runs for 14 days priorly first before it goes live publicly. Head back to My Strategies, and under Private, you'll see the bot you just built. Name, last edited, and number of versions. You can keep refining it like we just did, or delete it if it's not working out. Now let's look at Strategy Plaza. You've got 3 tabs, All, Elite, and New. Here you can see all the bots provided by BingX, the name, pair, time frame, runtime, ROI, 21-day backtest, and how many days it's been live trading. You'll also see the number of copiers, assets under management, and the profit sharing ratio for each one. Select any bot and click Copy. A pop-up appears where you set your investment amount and confirm the profit share ratio. You'll also see the live trading performance right there. Agree to the terms, confirm, and you're in. Head over to My Copy Trading and you'll see your active copied strategy. A total investment, current total value, and total unrealized P&L. You can view the strategy details just like before. And if you ever want out, click Stop Copying, then Confirm Ending. And that's the entire loop. Build with plain English, backtest, optimize, and either publish for others to copy you or copy top performers yourself. All right, and look, for the next few years, 2 kinds of traders will exist. The ones using AI and the ones still doing everything manually. Same market, very different outcomes. Here's how you get on the right side of that. I have put together everything inside the AI Trade Edge community. Every prompt, every bot, every template, every step-by-step guide I personally use, all in one place. And everything I build going forward gets added straight into the group the moment it drops. We are also testing strategies from all over the internet, automating them using PineScript, running them live, and sharing exactly what works and what does not. So you are not just getting tools. You are getting a live research operation. Inside, there is also a full agentic trading course, 2.5 hours, beginner to expert, no coding background needed. By the end of it, you will have your own AI trading system running live, something most retail traders do not even know is possible right now. $79.99 a month. One good trade covers it. And the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. The link is in the description. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. So that's it. That's the exact process I used to build, backtest, and publish a trading strategy on BingX without writing a single line of code. Before you go, don't forget to sign up using the link in the description, where you can get up to 10,800 USDT in bonuses. And if you want the full system, the AI Trade Edge community link is right there too. If you want to watch the full walkthrough on how to trade on BingX, check out the video popping up on screen right now. And if you want the complete step-by-step guide on building your own agentic trading system using Claude, that one's popping up right beside it. Go check that out next. If you found this valuable, drop a like, subscribe for more of these breakdowns. And if you've got questions, throw them in the comments. I read every one. Anyways, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.